Imagine a small 40 square meter home somewhere in the province of the Philippines. Surrounded by trees, open land, and a quieter environment, this home takes inspiration from a design style that is usually associated with large concrete buildings, brutalism. But instead of creating something cold, dark, or intimidating, this concept shows how brutalist principles can be adapted into a compact and comfortable Filipino home. The idea is simple: honest materials, strong geometry, less decoration, and spaces that serve a clear purpose. This is not a luxury mansion. It is an inspirational plan for someone who wants a small home that feels modern, timeless, and different from the usual residential design. And all of this fits within approximately 40 square meters. Before looking at the floor plan, let's understand the basic idea behind brutalism. Brutalist architecture celebrates materials in their natural form. Concrete does not always need to be covered with paint. Structural elements do not always need to be hidden. Instead of adding excessive decoration, the building itself becomes the design. You will notice exposed concrete surfaces, heavy geometric forms, deep openings, simple black metal details, and natural materials such as wood. For a small house, however, we need to soften these principles. Too much gray concrete can make a compact space feel dark and uncomfortable. So in this concept, concrete becomes the main architectural character, while warm wood, soft fabrics, plants, natural daylight, and warm lighting create balance. The result is still brutalist, but more suitable for everyday residential living. From the outside, the house immediately communicates its design philosophy. The structure is simple and rectangular, with a strong concrete frame wrapping around the front elevation. There are no complicated roof shapes or unnecessary decorative elements. Instead, the architecture depends on proportion, shadow, texture, and depth. A large black-framed window opens the living space toward the exterior, while the entrance is slightly recessed underneath the concrete overhang. Natural wood beside the front door adds warmth against the rough concrete. For a provincial setting in the Philippines, landscaping can also become very important. Rather than filling the surroundings with expensive decorative features, we can use gravel, stones, tropical plants, grasses, and locally available greenery. This helps soften the architecture and allows the concrete structure to sit naturally within the landscape. Now let's look at the floor plan. The concept uses an approximately 8 meter by 5 meter rectangular footprint, giving us around 40 square meters. Because the space is limited, the plan avoids long hallways and wasted corners. Immediately after entering, you arrive at a compact foyer. From here, the home opens directly into the main living, dining, and kitchen area. The private bedroom is positioned toward one side of the apartment, while the bathroom, laundry storage, and workspace are grouped efficiently nearby. Instead of dividing everything into many small rooms, most of the daytime functions share one open space. This makes the interior feel much larger than its actual floor area. The entrance is intentionally simple. A built-in bench provides a place to sit while putting on or removing shoes. Storage underneath keeps footwear out of sight, while hooks above can hold bags, jackets, or everyday items. A full-height mirror visually expands the narrow entrance. This is an important lesson for small homes. Every element should ideally serve more than one purpose. Even though this entrance occupies only a small area, it provides seating, storage, organization, lighting, and a transition between the outdoors and the interior. The exposed concrete immediately introduces the brutalist character of the house. Moving further inside, we arrive at the living room. Here, the architecture remains very simple. The ceiling and selected walls retain the raw concrete texture. Instead of filling the room with large furniture, we use a low-profile sofa in a soft, neutral fabric. This contrast is important. The concrete is hard and visually heavy, while the sofa, rug, cushions, and fabrics introduce softness. A solid concrete coffee table becomes the central feature. On the opposite wall, the television is combined with a long, built-in media cabinet. Natural wood fronts prevent the entire room from becoming too gray. Vertical open shelving can be used for books, small plants, and only a few carefully selected objects. Brutalism works best when the space is not overcrowded. The architecture should remain visible. Beside the living room is the compact kitchen and dining area. Dark wood cabinets run along one wall, keeping circulation open. The cabinetry is simple, flat, and almost handle-free. The backsplash can use concrete look material or stone, continuing the visual language of the apartment. Instead of installing a separate dining table and kitchen island, One central table can perform both functions. This reduces the number of furniture pieces and keeps the home flexible. Black dining chairs and a simple pendant light add contrast. Warm under-cabinet lighting is especially important here because it prevents the concrete surfaces from feeling too cold at night. This combination of gray concrete, dark metal, warm wood, and warm lighting becomes the main material palette throughout the home. Even in a 40 square meter home, we can still include a dedicated workspace. Instead of building a separate office room, the desk is integrated into a small niche. A built-in wood desk, shelves above, and storage beside it create a complete workstation without using much floor area. The concrete wall behind the desk provides texture, while warm lighting beneath the shelves makes the workspace more comfortable. This area could be used for working from home, studying, managing a small business, or simply as a family computer station. It is a good example of how a compact house can still support modern everyday activities without making the floor plan complicated. The bedroom continues the same brutalist character, but the atmosphere becomes softer and more restful. A low platform bed keeps the room visually spacious. The bed is surrounded by warm wood, soft neutral bedding, and a textured rug. Instead of adding several freestanding cabinets, a full-height built-in wardrobe takes advantage of the wall. A continuous headboard ledge can replace bulky bedside tables. Simple pendant lights free up even more surface space. Natural daylight enters through the window, while the concrete walls create a calm, almost cave-like feeling. This is where brutalism becomes interesting in residential design. It does not need to feel harsh. With the right materials and lighting, concrete can actually create a peaceful and grounded atmosphere. The bathroom is compact but continues the same material language. Concrete-look tiles cover most surfaces, paired with matte black fixtures and a warm wood vanity. A glass shower partition keeps the room visually open. Instead of decorative accessories everywhere, built-in niches provide storage for toiletries. Beside the bathroom, a small laundry and storage closet can accommodate the washing machine, cleaning supplies, towels, and other household items. Grouping these practical functions together keeps plumbing and circulation more organized while preserving the larger living area. What makes this 40 square meter home interesting is not simply the exposed concrete. It is the discipline behind the design. Every wall, cabinet, piece of furniture, and circulation path has a purpose. Brutalism teaches us that a home does not need complicated decoration to have character. Sometimes material, proportion, natural light, texture, and simplicity are enough. And in a quiet provincial setting in the Philippines, this contrast can be especially beautiful. A strong, modern concrete home surrounded by greenery and nature. This concept is only an inspirational plan, but it shows that even within 40 square meters, we can create a home that feels organized, functional, comfortable, and architecturally distinctive. Small space does not mean small ideas. Sometimes, designing less but designing it better is what makes a home truly memorable.